Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you 4 different ways how you can make abstract liquid background in Photoshop. And watch full video to get the password to download 100 free liquid background. Password will be in 2 different parts and you will get the password here. So in this corner to download, watch the full video very carefully and let's get started. Okay, so first technique will be a brush. So you can choose any color. If you want to like two colors like white and black, you can do it, or any color. Like I will choose here like little bit pinkish and a yellow. Okay, now take the brush tool here. What I show you, I choose hard brown. So here, so I will just make these steps of. It's totally your choice how you can make it. Okay, now I will choose the second color here like this, and again just draw in your own way. Okay, now just go to layer and tab it and like click convert to smart object. Okay, now go to filter and liquify. Okay, here the brush is selected. Here you can increase or decrease your brush size here, and also the pressure. For me, I will take 100 pressure and density 50, and size will be 235. So just make it this way. Here you can see there is a transparent background here. Don't worry, just make it in your own way. It will be like eraser. So don't worry, just make it here. Now it's time to remove this transparent background. So in there where there's too much background, just do this in this way. So you can just cover the transparent layer. Okay, I think everything is totally fine. So I think this is totally look too much good, the liquid background. But what you can do, you can also look here. There is a reconstruct. Just click this, and here if we make it 0, you will get the line what you make. But if you increase this, here you can see different liquid flavor. So like if 100, then this is, or if I, for me 93% is okay. Here in the rider you will make which you like the most. So here in this way you can make it, and for me I think 92% is okay for me. So okay and okay. So here it is. Again, what you can do, if you just click this picture 2 times, here you will get. Here you can also make, if you want to add a third color, like if you want to add blue color, you can also make it here, like in this way, the way. Okay, then here go to file and choose save. Okay, it's saved. Now just go to the brush layer. So here you can see the blue. So here you can add different types of color here. The totally your own choice how you can just edit it. Okay, now I'll go to like second technique. It is fiber technique. So here there's two colors choose, blue and red, or sorry, pinkish. So it's your choice what type of color you will choose. So here, then go to like filter and go to like render. And in the render, go to like fibers. Okay, here the design is, but if you want to increase the variance, you can make it, or you can, yeah, I think this, and you can also increase the strength. Okay, for me. Okay, here it is. Now again, just convert to smart object, go to filter, and here just choose liquify. Okay, it will take time. Yes, it's here. And for me, this setting is okay for me. Now just make it like this. Don't need to worry, just do it like that in your own style. Okay. So give time and make it your own way. For me, it's okay. Okay, here you also go to reconstruct, and here just decrease the size little bit. Yeah, for me, this is okay totally. Okay, okay, that's also same. If we click this smart object, here is the thing. Again, choose any color you want. Like me, I will go for okay, go for the blue. And here. Okay, just then go to file and save it. Yes, save. Then just go to the layer. Here you can see this color. So in this way you can also do this. Now I will go to like third technique, and here again I choose here like green and pinkish. Okay, like to choose a different color here. Yes, blue and like little bit red. Okay, now go to filter, go to render, and go choose clouds. Here it is, and here make it like convert to smart object. So you can go through the layer if you want to add another color or change the color. That's why I make it smart object. So here then go to filter and go to liquify. Okay, now again make it in your own way. Yeah, for me this is totally perfect. Just give time and design it in your way. Here you can see different depth here. That also very much awesome. Okay. So in this way you can make these types of liquid abstract background. Yeah, you can also add another color or two or more colors here also. Now I will go for the last and fourth technique here. Here this is the picture I downloaded from Unsplash. You can also download it there. So how we can make the abstract with the picture, I will show you. Here just make this to convert to smart object. Okay, then go to filter and liquify it. Okay, here just increase the brush size a little bit. Okay, now make it there. So choose these types of picture where different color, different depth you will found. So you will get the awesome result when you make it liquify here. Like here there's deep blue, then uh, and yellow or different color. So medium blue is here also. So choose these types of pictures to get much more unique colors. So by using liquify tool, you can make these types of abstract background here. Okay, here just reconstruct. Here if you make it this way, this is also looks awesome. Yeah, so it's totally your own choice how you can make this. Okay, for me this 100 is okay. 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 Now if we go to the picture, I want to add another color. You can also add another color here. Like if you want to add much more blue, or this dark, okay, this blue. So okay, now increase the brush size and make it this way. Just draw it and make it save. Okay, now go to the layer. So here you can see there's another bluish tips, and deep blue is also here. So in this way you can make, okay, if you want to add another mood color, so you can also go to the layer, and here what you can add, like a little bit yellow. Okay, okay, this is little bit yellow here, and save it. Okay, fully saved. Now go to the layer. So here the another color is also added. So this is the fourth technique. In this way you can make different types of abstract liquid background here, but you have to be more patient and draw it in your own way so that it will look awesome. So I will show you what types of thing I will give you. This 100 liquid background, like what will be the this. So this is the one. It is the 3D liquid background here, and it will like 25 different types of things you will get here. This is the also like liquid toxic texture. It's really awesome. This is all my resources I will give you all. Here I will get like 24 types of different liquid toxic type, and this is liquid marble, and I will give you the 9 types of liquid marble in different color. It's totally awesome. All of my resources here, and here this is the unique liquid background, and it's totally awesome, right? And here you will get the 10 types of this thing. So just download it, and this is a liquid colorful background with different colors you will get. It will be like 24. So download this with by using this password, and go to the link and download this and enjoy. Total 100 liquid background is here. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.